Happy Friday, South. I'm Polis, and we are almost to the weekend. So let's get started with the news. Make sure to get your Tolo tickets. Today, they are $25 for everyone, and tickets will not be sold at the door tomorrow. The Spirit Assembly is today. The class colors are 12th, red, 11th, blue, 10th, yellow, 9th, green, and staff, black and white. In case you need it, here is today's assembly schedule. Third block starts at 10:05. Fourth block starts at 11:55. And at 1, we all head to the assembly. If you need a reminder, freshmen and sophomores are on the big bleachers, while juniors and seniors are on the small bleachers. Looking for an assembly alternative? Luckily, we have them. Remember, you must be at the assembly or an approved alternative. Attention juniors. Science state testing is coming next week. All juniors will take the test. Check your grade level Google Classroom for your time. See Miss Wood in the library if you have questions or need to switch your session. SK Fire and Rescue is having safety classes over spring break. Check out the flyer on the athletic office door for more information. In sports news, Final Forms registration is open for both cheer and dance tryouts for the next school year. Dance tryouts are April 27th through 29th, and cheer tryouts are May 12th through 15th. Register and you will receive information from the coaches. Check in with the athletic office for more information. Boys and girls basketball are each holding conditioning sessions. You must be registered to participate. Yesterday was an active day for our sports teams. JV Fast Pitch won 17-5. Varsity also won 11-2. Girls water polo had a hard time, only scoring 2. Baseball went back and forth with JV falling short, while varsity won 11-2. Tennis also won. As for boys soccer, C-Team Shutout Olympic, JV beat Bonnie Lake 1-0, and varsity only put up 2 goals. Way to go, Wolves. Now for our scheduled events. Today, track is hosting Puyallup. Baseball is back at it again, this time taking on Bethel. Tomorrow, C-Team Baseball will have a doubleheader against Emerald Ridge. Good luck, Wolves. In club news, Poetry will be meeting on Tuesday in room 332. Just Serve is sponsoring the Kids Helping Kids food drive for the Bremerton Backpack Brigade and the SK Backpack for Kids programs from Monday to May 7th. Collection bins are in the main office and the library. The clubs meeting today are Drama and Link Crew. The clubs meeting tomorrow will be Interact, International, and Magic the Gathering. Well, I can't wait to be cheering on my class today at the assembly. Anyways, I've been Polis, and I will see you next week. Have a good weekend, South.